Hey YouTubers, this is a 2007 Jeep Commander 5.7 liter. I put in the new EGR valve and they're completely correct. In order to get out that lower bolt, you're going to have to use a grinder. This is what I used, a grinder right here with a narrow tip on it. Alright, and then I just went in and grinded down that area right there. See if it's good. So you can see I kind of took down that aluminum bracket a little bit, and that's a new bolt that comes with the EGR valve. That comes with two new, and it comes with a gasket that goes against the block, and it comes with a gasket that goes right there for the pipe. So you can see I grinded off a little bit, and when you do, it also grinds down your bolt, your old bolt. So don't worry too much about that because you're going to replace it. This is the EGR kit I got for F as in Frank 1899, and this is the old one that came out, 165,000 miles. And I got a new gasket, these two gaskets, that one for the pipe and this one against the head, came with the kit. And then you got your plug-in. Alright, it's pretty straightforward. Make sure you put down I put down a towel so I wouldn't get any aluminum shavings down into my alternator. And the nice thing is this thing will flop back and forth once you get that one down there loose. So take that one out first, and then you can flop this back and forth. In order to get in there, before I grinded it, I just used a 10mm regular wrench. This one, which you can see the brand, almost stripped it. So then I went and grabbed this 10mm by this company, and it got it right out. So I used a rubber mallet after I stuck it on. I'll show you. So I'll put this back down here. So I took a rubber mallet, I stuck it on like that, and then I took a block of wood like this. So I took a block of wood like that, and then I just pounded gently down on it, and that broke it free with the 10mm regular wrench. All right. So it went in back in pretty good. As you can see, I just got to put on the inlet pipe, or the pipe. I cleaned that up a little bit, you can see, and the O-ring's pretty good, so I'm going to reuse it because I thought I'd order it but I didn't. I cleaned this up a little bit, got some of the junk off of there. Alright, and I had to take out the cold air intake. I mean, there's guys have put stuff on here about the 5.7 liter HEMI. And this is the 2007 Jeep Commander. Alright, good luck guys on the EGR.